If your hair has been thinning out, you've been fighting itchy scalp, this is the hair treatment for you. So do well to stick around and watch this video to the end. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm nellysaduwa and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing this amazing hair treatment which is going to help promote your hair growth and also treat dandruff. So the first ingredient for this hair treatment is cloves. Cloves, also known as zobo pepper in Nigerian markets. The compound ugelion found in cloves help promote hair growth when applied to the roots. It can also repair, strengthen and add a healthy shine to the hair shaft when applied regularly. This will improve blood circulation in the scalp and promote stronger hair growth. Cloves are not just important for hair growth alone, but are also very important for our health in general. Cloves help combat the free radicals found in our body, which could damage our cells and can lead to diseases. By removing the free radicals from our systems, the antioxidants found in cloves can help reduce the risk of developing heart diseases and diabetes and certain other cancers. So you see, the importance of cloves is not just for our hair alone, but it's also very important for our health in general. The second ingredient for this hair treatment, this hair spray, this hair growth treatment, this hair growth spray is rosemary leaves. Rosemary leaf is an herb native to the Mediterranean region. Rosemary leaves increases blood circulation when applied to the scalp. It also helps nourish hair follicles to grow. The herb oil also offers an anti-inflammatory benefit that helps to nourish the hair follicles. It also has an analgesic property that suits inflamed scalps. Rosemary leaf, when applied regularly to the scalp, promotes healthy hair growth. In today's video, we are going to be using the dried rosemary leaves, which is not any different from the fresh rosemary leaves. The next ingredient for this hair growth spray, this hair growth treatment, is ginger. Ginger boosts blood circulation to the scalp. As a result, ginger stimulates hair growth and strengthens the hair roots and follicles. Additionally, the many fatty acids, vitamins, minerals present in ginger can strengthen hair strands and prevent hair loss. In today's video, we will be using the ginger powder, which is made from dried ginger that has been grated. The next thing we're going to be needing to make this hairspray is a glass jar. So you need a glass jar that has a lid, even if you're not going to be needing the lid later on, because you wouldn't want anything to interfere with this mixture. So we're going to be using a clean, sterilized jar with a lid. Like I said, we might not be needing the lid. So into this jar, I'm going to measure in a tablespoon of my dried rosemary leaves. Next, I'm going to be taking a tablespoon of my cloves. I'm out of the cloves already, but it just measured completely a tablespoon, which I'm going to be adding into the glass jar. Next, I'm going to be taking a tablespoon also of my ginger powder, and I'm going to go ahead to add it into the glass jar, and I would stir to combine all of the ingredients together nicely. So you just want to stir these ingredients together so you don't have any lying at any part of this jar, most especially the powder substance. And then the next thing I'm going to be adding into my glass jar, it's a glass of hot water. So I'm just going to go ahead, before adding the glass of hot water, I'm just going to go ahead to stir nicely again. So you can go ahead to add more. I later added more water to this. You can go ahead to add as desired by the length of your hair. I would advise that you make this daily as you would want to use, and not making excess to store. If you want to make excess to store, you shouldn't store this more than 5 days, irrespective of whatever preservative that you have used. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead using a foil paper to wrap over the lid of this container. Earlier I made mention of the fact that you might not need to use the lid of this jar when you want to cover. Reason being that the lid of this jar is plastic, so except you have a steel lid or any other lid that is not plastic, please do not use the lid of this container to cover when you want to store, as you wouldn't want anything to interfere with this mix. Next, I'm going to proceed to sieving. So for sieving, I have my stocking cap placed over my sieve just to make a double check on this liquid as I am trying to strain it such that no little particle falls into my spray bottle. So you're just going to go ahead, pour it straight into this to sieve it out, using the help of a funnel to direct this into your spray bottle. Guys, if you've watched this video up to this point and you're not already subscribed to my channel, I will plead with you to subscribe to my channel, and I want to also hope that you're watching all of the ads to support your girl. Thank you very much. So next, after sieving this, I'm just going to go ahead to remove the funnel and everything I used for sieving. I'm just going to remove it and place my spray lid over this. And there you have our hair treatment ready for use. This hair treatment, the potency of this hair treatment is so beneficial to hair growth, treating scalp issues, and also strengthening your hair follicles. So it is very important you get to use this hair treatment. Now I know a lot of people are going to be wondering, Nelly, how many hair treatments have you shared with us already? Now each and every one of these hair treatments has their benefits for hair growth and how they come together to help strengthen and also enhance your hair growth. Now you've noticed that the 2 hair treatments I've shared with you recently, cloves has been a part of it. Because of the amazing benefits of cloves, I'm going to continue using cloves, ginger, and rosemary. So irrespective of whatever mix I get to make, I am still going to continue using cloves, ginger, and rosemary for my hair treatments because of their amazing benefits to the hair. Next, I'm going to go ahead using my brush. So now if you have a scalp massager, you're just going to go ahead using your scalp massager to help massage your scalp really nicely. And if you do not have a scalp massager, I'm going to try to insert a picture, but if I can't, just go online, check for a scalp massager. So if you do not have a scalp massager, you could go ahead to use your hairbrush, which you use in detangling your hair, to gently massage your scalp, as it has its own benefit in promoting hair growth, because that helps stimulate your scalp for hair growth. You can go check everything that I've said online to find out if it's true or not, but definitely this is true. It helps stimulate your scalp for hair growth. I recently found out about it, and that's why I'm sharing it with you guys today, because I have started it for a while now and I hope to continue. So I just went ahead to do a little bit of finger detangling, and I went ahead to twist up the rest of my hair together. So I'm going to go ahead to do the rest of my hair just the same way I've done this. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do well to give this video a huge thumbs up, like, comment, share this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Bye bye.